देखिए, बंगाल का जो हाल है बहुत आ, बुरा हाल है। अभी हिंदू पूरा बंगाली हिंदू समाज खतरा में है। वो जो हो रहा है, बंगाल पुलिस वो पुतलिया का तरफ देख रहा है। क्यों? वो जो जल रहा है, बंगाल हिंदू मर रहा है, हद तक हुआ। वहाँ नेट टोटली बंद कर दिया, लेकिन कोई कदम नहीं उठाते ममता बनर्जी। वो बांग्लादेश बनाने के लिए तैयार है, पूरा हिंदू को हटा के खून करके, ऐसा माहौल है।
Yes, we welcome this verdict of the Honorable High Court and the special bench of the Kolkata High Court, and it was very much needed. And we welcome this judgment, and this shows the inability of the state government to maintain the law and order in that region. And Mamata Banerjee and her government was provoking the riot, and her minister himself, Siddiqullah Chaudhary, used such kind of derogative words, provoking words in the heart of the Kolkata, and no steps has been taken against him. So this is the situation of West Bengal, and we welcome this verdict.
I say the protest of Waqf is not just for West Bengal. Other places also people are protesting. But from no other state do we hear this kind of vandalism and violence which is prevailing. Other states like Assam, they have a Muslim minority which is more than around 40%. But we don't hear any incidents from there. We don't hear any incidents from Uttar Pradesh. So which means that it is a complete failure of the chief minister and the ruling government in the state. See, Rome is burning and Nero is fiddling. She is enjoying. Once again, like I say, whatever was happening, corruption and all, is now, has taken a back seat because all this is there in the news. So Mamata Banerjee probably wanted that this kind of violence should take place.
एक कम्युनिटी पूरे कम्युनिटी को मार धर के भगा रहा है, एक सरकार उसके साथ है, तो ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? 356 चाहिए, we want the 356.
So you're demanding president's rules in West Bengal, you're saying?
Yes, why not? क्यों? क्या क्या चाहिए? मणिपुर में हो तो मणिपुर से कितना मारा गया? उससे ज्यादा मार गया हमारे पश्चिम बंगाल में। मणिपुर में कितने दुकान नहीं लूटा, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हुआ देखिए? क्यों नहीं होगा? यहाँ पे 356 होना चाहिए।
I think rule of law is completely collapsed in Bengal. The Calcutta High Court has ordered the deployment of central force in riot-affected Murshidabad. Once again, Mamata Banerjee and West Bengal police have failed the people of the state. This should be deeply embarrassing for Mamata Banerjee. But she will luckily pretend as if nothing happened and move on the planning for the next riot. A shameful display of conduct from his chief minister. I think Mamata Banerjee को अभी ये मान लेना चाहिए कि वो एज अ होम मिनिस्टर, एज अ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का जो है चीफ होकर भी वो पूरी तरह से फेलर है। और बंगाल में जो है मुझे लगता है सेंट्रल फोर्स डिप्लॉयमेंट के बाद ही शांति प्रतिष्ठा हो सकता है और पीपल ऑफ बंगाल को वो सेफ्टी मिल सकता है।
Mamata Banerjee is the instigator of this. She and her administration are the instigators. They have done nothing to quench this fire. Nothing. The DG of police of West Bengal issues a statement that this is because of afwah, this is because of rumors being spread. DG Sahab, my question to you is, what has your force done except being just mute spectators, letting this happen, letting people get killed, lynched, everything? Now, the central forces have come. Thanks, a big thanks to the Calcutta High Court, because this state government would not have taken any step. They want this to happen.